Okay, I want to start the car so I could show you guys more about what I'm saying. Yeah, guys, when you crank the car, this is actually where the noise is coming from. These two bolts has to be taken out. These two bolts have to be taken out. That's where one of the ring goes to. Then under the boat, let me start the engine so I could show you where the second ring goes under the boat. See to the line, see to the same line. So under the fan right here where you can see my finger, it's a 12mm bolt. Right here, this is my finger touching it. Right here, the camera cannot really pick it so clearly. Right here is a 12mm bolt. When you take it out, this pipe is going to come out. Inside here is where the other rim is going to go. So it is actually two rims, one here and one here. It's something that anybody can do it. If you have any idea of technology, you can do it. These are things that you go to mechanics, spend hundreds of dollars for simple things that we don't know, we have no idea. So, and the power steering is like a little bit stiff while making all that noise. So there's air in the system. Now this is the reservoir. This is where the power steering fluid is. So we have to change this completely because sometimes this one under there's a filter. Let me show you the new one. Yeah, this is a new one that we're going to replace there. Under here there is a filter under here that filters the steering fluid, because sometimes the system becomes dirty and the filter will be cleared by all the dirt that comes out from the system. So that filter helps to filter the fluid. So for security reasons, not for the problem to come back easily, it's just good to change the reservoir. So I'm just doing this because I don't have any person to hold me the camera while I do the work. So that's why I said let me just do this video and show you guys, because this is stuff that anyone can do it if you have that common idea of technology, because these things make people spend a lot of money at times. But I will try my best to position the camera where you could pick up what I'm doing right here. I don't know if it's gonna, okay, I think, yeah, it's gonna pick up. Okay, got it. Let me take out this body first. There you go. There you go, guys. Here is also a fluid pump that I bought from Amazon. I think this is the easiest one to pump out the fluid, the power steering fluid from the reservoir in here. This is the best pump to extract the power steering fluid in here with. So I have to extract it, run the steering to right and left, extract, make sure I extract everything, then before going here. If not, the fluid in the system is going to mess every place here. All right. Obviously, I don't have anybody to hold me the camera, so I could do this thing in a very live manner that everybody will be watching. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm all by myself. Guys, this is actually the person doing the video. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm one. I do it for myself. I work for myself. So I don't take risks for people. I do it on my own. So you can try by yourself. You can try and help yourself save some money too. Okay, now extracting. We have to extract this oil fluid.